All right, hold on. It's raining in Poli. All right, welcome to level 5. What do you notice about this level? That's right, it's 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So we see what happens when we have a 10. What's 2 by 2? So let's take an example here. So let's say something like 38 times 54. All right, well, we do the same thing. So if this was just 38 times 4, we'd do 4 times 8 is 32. Carry that 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. And we'd have an answer of 152. But it's not that. It's times 54. So because the second digit we're doing is multiplying by a 10, we first have to respect that by putting a 0 here. Because this isn't just 5 times 38. It's actually 50 times 38. So that's going to shift that whole number down. We also need to cross this number out to help us out. Now, the process is the same. I go from my 10s and I go to my 8 here. I go to my 1. So 5 times 8 is 40. And then I carry my 4. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. Now, I'm not done yet. I do need to add my two numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 38 times 54 is 2,052. So again, we start with the 1s. Then we went to the 10s, and we always have to put that 0 here. Okay? Because it's not, because 5 times 38 is 190, but this isn't 5, this is 50. All right, let's see how this goes. Again, I would go one at a time, especially with a new, kind of something new here. And I'll do the work as well. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. I'm going to cross that one out. Again, this is 30, not 3, so I'm going to write my 0 there. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. We added together 5, 10, 5, 1,505. 58 times 29. Another good thing to do here, I'm going to round and have an estimate. So this, I'm going to change this to 60 times 30, so my answer should be around 1,800. And the reason we do that is because you might make that mistake, right, of not putting the 0. And then you get this answer that's way off, so then you know you've done something wrong. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry the 7. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 7 is 52. Cross that out. I'm going to write my 0 here because this is 20, not just 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2, 8, 6, 1. That's around 1,800. I'm going to assume I did it okay. Again, is there a good chance I'm going to make a mistake? Yes. It's 2:52 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'm trying to go fairly quickly so that I can make it to an appointment I need to be at later. So things happen. Here, so what about 50 times 40? Was that 2,000? And then 50 times 50 is 2,500. So my interest should be somewhere around there. Probably in the middle there. Probably about 2,224, something like that. All right, 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Cross that out. Write my 0 here because this is 40 and not 4. 4 times 6 is 24. It's the same thing, isn't it? 4 times 1 is 18. Now we got 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 2, 10. 2,024. 2,024. All right, cool. All righty, 32 times 54. Again, so if I go 30 times 50, that's what, 1,500? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 128. This is not just 5, it's also 50. I'm going to write that 0 there. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. 8, 2, 7, 1. 1,700. That's around 1,500. So I think I'm going to do it. I've done it well. All right, 100 times 65 is 6,500. Man, that would be just easier, wouldn't it? 2 groups removed of 65, which would be, what, 130? So it is going to be, what, 6,370 is the actual, right? Isn't that the actual answer? Let's find out. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 72, plus 4 is 76. Did I do that right? 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 9 is 49. Cross the 4 out. 60 times 8. Okay, 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 4 is 58. Right? 0, 17. 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13. 6,370. Whoa. See, it was simpler to think about the problem and do it differently. All right, so the algorithm is not always going to be the best, but we're practicing the algorithm, so that's what we're doing. 63 times 62, 60 times 60 is 3,600. It's going to be a little bit more than that because both numbers are more than 60. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. 60, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. 6, 10, 9, 3,906, which is above 3,600. 70 times 20 is 1,400. It is going to be more than that because 73 and 22 are both more. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. And again, I've already done the calculations, haven't I? Because it's just 2 again, except it's 20, so then it's shifted down. 6, 10, 6, 1,606. 21 times 12, so what this is going to be around 200. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 2. 252. All right, 80 times 80, what, 6,400? 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 3 is 67. Oh, good night, sweet prince. See, my brain's starting to go befuddling. So now we have 70 times 4, so we put that 0 there. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 2 is 58. I think I've done this right. Is that 7? Yep. 15, 6,552, which aligns with our estimation, so I'm going to assume I did things correctly. But you know what they say when you assume. 83 times 15, what? 830 plus 415, so 1,245. We're going to be right around 1,245. Probably going to be one group of 83 away from that, which would be what? 45 and then what? 38, 11, 62? Maybe we'll see. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. And then we have, oops. 10 times 83 is 830. 2, 6, 11. Hey, look at that. 11,062. Pretty good. Or 1,162. All right, so 9 out of 10. If you didn't do it, let me know so we can figure out what's going on. Bye.